What's up, YouTube? Guys, I just want to say this CRF450RL is probably one of my favorite bikes that we've actually built recently. In this video, I'm going to do a quick little walk around and I'm going to start the bike up. I'm just going to do some close-up shots, and then I'm actually going to take it down the road and just do a quick test ride. Keep in mind, this thing is brand new with zero time on it at all, so I'm just going to putt around, break in the motor. We're not going to do anything crazy, but you guys are going to get to see me rip around on this bike for a little bit. So stay tuned. At the end, you'll see the ride part of it. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, welcome to the channel.
Actually looks kind of fun.
It's fun.
It looks it.
I don't want to get one for myself. working with you guys. Check out BVCOffroad.com. You can go to BVCBigWheels.com and check out some big wheel kits we make for this bike. So everything is pretty quick lead time right now. We've been really just investing in our equipment and hammering these orders right out. Give us a call, 518-563-3699. Again, check out BVCOffroad.com. Thanks, guys. All right, let's see the size comparison here. Clean this up.
One's like a little toy.
New versus old. It's kind of funny looking at it, honestly.